Hey creators, thanks for joining us in today's video. Today we will be going over basic maintenance for the Bambu 3D printer. I will be going over a variety of maintenance services that will help keep your printer running smoothly. There are a few things that I'll be using in this video to perform these tasks. Isopropyl alcohol, lens wipes, Q-tips, canned compressed air, paper towels, a couple of Allen wrenches, and the Bambu grease. We are going to start with the cleanup on the extruder. You'll want to do this anytime that you see any visible buildup on the gears. Take off the extruder cover, grab a can of compressed air, and spray everything inside. If you don't have canned compressed air, don't worry. You can also take a vacuum to vacuum out the dust and particles. Next, we will clean the inside fans. Make sure that your printer is powered off and the fans aren't moving. Take the canned air and spray the fans thoroughly, or vacuum the fans. You'll want to do this about once a month to keep things running smoothly. For the next step, we are going to unplug the AMS and set it to the side for later. Press the black tab inside the AMS to release the Bowden tube from the outside on the back of the AMS. You'll also need to remove the glass cover. Now that that's done, we are going to clean off the rods and check the belt tension. You'll want to do this once a month as well. Make sure the printer is off. On the back of the printer, you'll see 4 screws. Loosen them with a 2mm Allen wrench, but do not remove them completely. Take a spray bottle of isopropyl alcohol and spray the rods so they are wet. If you don't have any isopropyl alcohol in a spray bottle, you can also just put some on a paper towel and wipe down the rods that way. Move the printhead back and forth to spread the cleaner. Then take a paper towel, wipe the rods, then move the printhead back and forth again to make sure things are dry. Do that until the paper towel is clean. Pull the rods in the printhead all the way to the front, then all the way to the back. Do this only 2 or 3 times, then push it all the way to the back. Now you can tighten the 4 screws in the back again. Tighten just until they're tight and then about a quarter turn past that. The next thing that we're going to go over is cleaning and oiling the Z lead screws. This should be done every 3 months. The machine will actually be powered on for this. To start, make sure the print bed is lowered all the way to the bottom. You can use the screen to manually move the print bed down. Grab a paper towel, spray a thin layer of IPA or isopropyl alcohol on it. Run that up and down the lead screws to get all of the loose debris and dust off. Apply a couple of drops of the Bambu grease along the lead screws. You'll only need a couple of drops on each lead screw. A little goes a long way. Once you're done with that, go to the printer icon on the screen and then hit the home button. The print bed will raise and travel up the lead screws to spread the oil. Do the same thing for the bottom couple of inches of the lead screws. Wipe them down with the IPA, put a little bit of oil, and drop the bed down to the bottom once you're done. Next, we're going to clean the inside cameras. This step is pretty simple and fast, but important. Take either a lens wipe or a Q-tip and some isopropyl alcohol. Wipe down the camera lens inside and you're done. You'll want to do this about once a month. Next, we are going to check the filament cutter. If you've had your printer for a while, or if you're someone who uses a lot of different colors and changes out filament a lot, you might want to do this too. You'll want to check this every 3 to 5 rolls of filament. The cutter is typically good for 3,000 to 5,000 cuts. Over time, it will deform and get dull since the blade gets used every time there's a filament change and every time you print. To start, you'll take off the hot end cover, grab a 1.5mm hex or Allen wrench, remove the screw in the arm of the cutter, then pull down the arm. The cutter just slides right out from the guide. Carefully take out the old cutter and insert the new one into the guide. Slide the arm back up and push in the cutter. Put the arm screw back in and tighten it. Make sure not to over tighten it though. Next, we are going to replace our nozzle wiper. You'll want to check this once a month to make sure that it's still in good shape. Every time that you start a print, this gets used. Pull down the hot end away from the poop chute. Take a 2mm wrench and pull the screw out that holds the wiper. Take out the old wiper and insert the new one. Then you can screw the screw back in and you're done. Bambu usually sends 2 cutters and 3 nozzle wipers with each printer, so you should be good on these supplies for a while. Next, put the glass back on the printer and then put the AMS back. Don't forget to plug in the AMS when you're done. I hope this video helped. If it did, give us a like and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. I'll see you next time, and as always, keep creating.